What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? Hi, this is Nir from Novi Sign, and what you've just seen was the little dude, a kind of mini-me. And today, Daddy has been doing some shopping for you. So, what do I have here? I have that big thing, which looks like a suitcase. It's called XDS-2288 by IAdea. This is a kind of digital signboard, also known as all-in-one, and also a kind of digital meeting room door sign. Well, door sign means you're supposed to put that on the door and it's supposed to show you what's going on in that meeting room. So now let's unbox it. It's a little bit big, so I'm gonna put it just right here and take it out. We have this thing here, this box. Let's take out all these. We have a brochure and a little user manual. And let's take that out this way. Oh. It's coming out. Alright. So, it's a kind of screen. It has 10 touch points. If you know what touch points mean, that means that it's a touch screen which you can touch with 10 fingers, not just one like you do with a mouse or with a simple tablet. And this is a 22-inch display, so like you see it's a little bit big and heavy. See, this kind. Now, this is also an Android based, so you already have Android built in. You don't need to connect anything to this. It has the processor. It's a Cortex A17 1.8 gigahertz, and it has 2 gigabyte RAM, 8 gigabyte storage. And let's take a look at what we have here in the back side. So we have 2 USB ports. We have Ethernet RJ45 LAN port. Like you see here, you have a lot of those kind of holes and places for screws. This is all for mounting, to hang it near the door, as it's supposed to be a door sign. So let's do it like that. And now you can see the speakers here and here, also maybe here and there. And here's an on-off button. You also have a hole for reset, but it has auto start, so no worries, as it's meant for digital signage. Actually, I think that the name XDS means X. Maybe it's like the Roman letter for 10, because it has 10 touch points. And the DS, of course, it's digital signage. Now, from this side, you can see that there's a place for SD card. You also have here another hole, which I have no clue what is that for. But I also know that it has Wi-Fi, and this is the Wi-Fi symbol just right here. You have this kind of micro USB, which is called ADB as well. Another USB port, and this is the place for connecting the power. And the power comes in this carton box, like you see here, with another kind of plastic which is supposed to cover something, probably here. So you just connect it this way, and this comes here, just like that. So it's a kind of very interesting signboard. We already at Novi Sign tested that. It can show you up to 2 videos simultaneously. Very smooth, very nice, good for digital signage. If you have a meeting room, probably this might be a very good solution. So if you want to learn more about Android hardware, please click this link of our website. And again, this is Nir, thanking you for visiting our YouTube channel. Signing out.